thought I would make my dress because I didn't think that I was going to be able to find the type of dress that I wanted. But then, okay, let me explain. Quick intro. I'm going to a bridal shop, I don't know, a place where they sell wedding dresses, to try on dresses with my mom, my sister, and my best friend. I'm planning on making my own dress, but I want to go try on dresses for a couple of reasons. I want to look at necklines, sleeves, silhouettes, veils, and see what I like. That will help me design the dress that I make. I also want to know what kind of dresses I like in case making it doesn't work out. I don't want to put too much pressure on myself, so if I feel like making it is just a nightmare, then I'll have a backup. And also, I think it's just going to be really fun. But yeah, I'm very excited. My mom and sister are on their way, and my bestie Kat is going to film for us while I'm trying stuff on. So, see you there. So my first impressions was basically just wow. Like, these dresses are amazing. They're so intricate and beautiful. And speaking of beautiful, here's my little hype squad, a bunch of cuties. This first dress I tried on was a no for me. It was not comfy. It was not that flattering. It was just not the easy breezy frolic in a field kind of vibe that I was going for. This next dress, I think my sister picked it because it was so huge and it was so fun to try. Like, look at her. Okay, so the third dress was the first dress I really liked. I loved the low back. I loved the floral. The skirt hung just right. This next dress was just a little much for me. And this one I loved. This one's so ethereal, beautiful. If I was getting married, like, I don't know, if my wedding was slightly different, this might have been the dress. I really liked her. Felt like a goddess. Then I tried this on. It is gorgeous. I've been really into reading like romantasy novels, and that is how I feel in this dress. Like a princess of the spring court or something. Gorgeous, flattering, surprisingly comfortable, but I was looking for something pretty laid back, which I kind of knew I wasn't gonna find here, but oh, this one had a similar vibe. I love a floral bodice, clearly. I liked that one a lot. And then we're back on a skin-tight lace one. Maybe if I was getting married on a beach or something, but I definitely didn't want something so skin-tight and form-fitting. It's a Saturday night and my only plans are sewing. So right now I'm working on a muslin corset just to test the pattern. It's a free pattern and I will link it in the description of the video. Let's see how this turns out. Now I have to wind a bobbin. I hate winding the bobbins, but let's just get it over with.
Sing it live and dance a little bit while I'm singing it. Teresa?
Maybe this one with my kids.
I'm laying out the pattern. I've already cut it out. I cut it out the other night. So I'm gonna pin it and sew it. And I'm watching Real Housewives of New Jersey. It's very good.
I'm in Jersey though. No, we did.
Okay.
Gina, mommy has to try this on.
It's looking like something.
What are you, a helicopter? I'm not tit for tat with Teresa, but everyone needs to take off the game faces. Anyway, I'm going to take it.
We always make up in that fight again.
After everything that's gone on, I think we're finally moving forward.
Mother was my age with 11 kids. You know, it's like, hey.
Okay. This is what it looks like. You can't really see. Hang on. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to iron it. Not bad. It's starting to look like kind of like a garment. So next up, I'm going to iron / press the seams, and then I'll attempt to put boning in, which I have no idea how to do, but let's give it a go. Hopefully by the end of tonight I have a finished muslin corset.
Those things in a cookbook is maybe to sell more cookbooks.
This is hard.
People read it as a gossip magazine.
Note to future self for the real thing: make sure that the iron is clean, because it's getting all sorts of black stuff on my corset. So okay. I also will say, if you're someone who's, let me just zoom out for one sec. If you're someone who's planning on making their own dress, I already have a recommendation, and that is that you make prototype, at least one, because it's getting stained, it's not perfect, I don't care.
Mom, is that the family portrait?
Alright, let me just put it down. You guys have been dying to...
I made, it doesn't stay up. I think it doesn't stay up because the boning's not in it yet. I'm adding the boning and see if that helps keep it up. It's gonna be super tedious because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. OMG, I'm done. And I think putting the boning in is going to be extremely satisfying. Oops. Unfortunately, I do not have enough boning. When the lady asked me how much boning I wanted, I had no idea what to say. So there's boning in like 2/3 of this. I'm gonna try it on and see if it stays up more, but I have a feeling it's going to. Juicy Joe. Okay. I think it's beautiful. I think it's a great prototype. I think I'm gonna read the instructions, but there definitely needs to be something up here that keeps it up. The boning is helping. I'm gonna try on the corset with dresses underneath because that's my plan for the final dress. Guess what got delivered today? A suspiciously small box that has my wedding dress inside, which I've never tried on. Okay, how did we get here? Let me explain. I was going to make my dress. I started making my dress, but then I was on Etsy during my commute on the train, and I was searching for patterns for my dress. So I was typing in keywords for the type of dress that I wanted, and then patterns. So like corset bodice pattern, corset bodice with off the shoulder puff sleeve pattern. And then I saw this image on Etsy for a dress which I had pinned like at least 3 times, it was not only on my Pinterest board, but it was one of the ones that I pulled from my Pinterest board and put onto like a Procreate mood board that I made that only had like 6 dresses on it. And it was that exact dress. I was like, what's this? It's a family business and you send them your measurements and they make you these beautiful dresses. So then I went to the reviews and they were all amazing. I'm gonna be stressed trying to make my own dress. These people are professionals. I think I thought I would make my dress because I like to make stuff, but also because I didn't think that I was going to be able to find the type of dress that I wanted, because the type of dress that I want isn't a traditional wedding dress, because I'm not having an extremely traditional wedding. I'm having a sort of casual wedding. It's outdoors, so I wanted something that still looked different from what I would wear every day, but that fit the like garden party vibe and wasn't like, you know, lace and tulle. So this is made of cotton and I hope it's cute. Let me open it up. I'm very excited. I ordered this like quite a while ago. It's heavy. A little wax seal. How cute. Okay, let me get it out and lay it out. She needs a good steam, but she's so beautiful. Oh my god, I have to try it on. You're very cute. It's so beautifully made. I didn't film an outro. That's a trend in most of these wedding videos. I was very excited about filming the process, and then once it was over, I did not want to talk or think about weddings for probably about a year. So I'm back and I'm finishing off these videos. But here is my dress in action on the wedding day. She is stunning. Exactly what I wanted. A big, full, beautiful dress with a structured corset that was made out of a natural fiber for our little garden party wedding. I felt so pretty. I felt so comfortable. I danced the night away. And yeah, check out the seller on Etsy. I'll link her below. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.